Whether you're at a stay-at-home mom or a single parent, there are many different types of side hustles that you will find on the internet. Whether it's cleaning or going and creating your own Etsy store or even creating some content, there are different alleys that you can go down that will help you make an extra stream of income. But in this video, I'm gonna give you the overlooked new form of income that you can make, new side hustle that's recently, you can say, dropped, that women could take advantage of, especially female entrepreneurs, especially if you're at a stay-at-home mom, especially if you're somebody who actually wants to go and start their own business, somebody who's been wanting to, take that risk and create something, an empire, or create a company of your own, okay? So the type of business that we're gonna be talking about today is going to be the laundromat delivery business. And the way that this works is kind of like this. Similar to DoorDash and Uber, how you order food from a restaurant, they go pick up the food and bring it to your doorsteps. It's kind of similar when it comes to laundry delivery. Somebody can schedule a pickup for you to come, pick up their clothes, take it to a facility, take it to your house, take it wherever you want to wash it, wash, dry, fold it, and bring it back to the person's house, and they will pay you for it. And the reason why this is such a good idea, there's a reason why this is such a lucrative business, is because the laundromat industry has been the same for so long. The only thing that's been changed the last maybe 50 years is that some laundry machines went from coins to card. But at the end of the day, the industry is still the same. The reason why this is such a powerful thing is because you can take advantage of this. The industry is just starting to change. The industry is just starting to, start to have the technological advances that it's supposed to have. Meaning, back then, if you wanted to be in the laundry industry, you had to go and buy a laundromat yourself. But now, you don't even have to have a laundromat. Now you can use and partner with laundromats in your area. You can have a laundromat, you can have a laundromat that you do all the laundry at, and you don't have to pay for electricity. You don't have to pay for the bills. You don't have to pay for the lease. You don't have to pay for maintenance. It's one of those things where you can become the middleman. And so this is kind of the business model that, I kind of want to talk about a little more. And this is the business model that we talk about on my channel. If you find this interesting, if it's something that you want to learn about, click the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. But at the end of the day, it's as simple as it gets. There are people who want you to do their laundry. You go and do the laundry and you just charge them an amount, okay? It's just like how there's people that want you to go pick up their food for them. And there's people that want you to give them a ride and you charge them. There are many different ways to make money when it comes to laundry, okay? So the first alley that you can take when it comes to laundry is you can make money from creating content, okay? You can make videos like this where you talk about laundry business. You can talk about, the different types of laundry detergents. You can talk about, the common mistakes to avoid when doing laundry. You can talk about how to never never have missing socks. Whatever it is, you can create content related to laundry, right? And people out there are doing laundry. There's a lot of houses that have washer and dryers. There are people who still go to laundromat to this day, okay? So it's one of those things where if you decide to go down the alley, you're like, dang, how can I make money from the laundry industry? Like I said, one of the main things that you can do is create content, especially since this is a new business. This is a new type of side hustle that most people don't know about. If you actually create content on this specific subject, you are bound to actually blow up. This is why if you see this video have 100K views sooner or later, don't be surprised. Why? Because the industry is growing, the market is growing, okay? And people are starting to realize, wow, if I could have somebody do my clothes, I actually want that person to do my clothes. So what do? They go and get that person to do their clothes. And so at the end of the day, you could take advantages. At the end of the day, you could do something similar to this. So you could go and make content, like I said, just talking about anything laundry related, okay? Tips and tricks. You could teach people stuff. You could create a guide. You could even sell laundry detergent or laundry products on Amazon. You could create a video of how you save so much time folding laundry by using the little machine. And then you put a link to the machine and people can buy the machine after they watch your video. It's one of those things where you can make money from laundry without even having to do a single load ever, okay? The second way that you can make laundry, which is this way, is you can start your own pickup and delivery company. And the reason why there's multiple avenues when it comes to this is because you could keep it small, something simple where you go and tell everybody that you have a laundry delivery company, and the people that you want, the people that you trust, or the laundry that you want to handle, they can come in and drop off the laundry to you. You can go pick up the laundry. You can have, only a few people, only a few clientele. Because say you're a busy mom and you have 4 kids and you just had a baby and you want to make some extra money, but you don't want to stress about a whole nother business. You can have it to where you might do 1 or 2 loads a day, or you might do 1 or 2 5 or 10 loads a week. And you might organize it to where, every Saturday you go pick up a whole bunch of clothes and then you do it. And then now you made an extra $250 that Saturday, extra $300, extra $1,000 that Saturday. And it's one of those things where you can kind of, go on your own time. You can go on your own rhythm. You can go on your own pace and still be able to make money off of it, okay? So at the end of the day, it kind of comes down to this. If you want to be able to make money doing the laundry, you can create content or you can start your own laundry business, okay? The thing about the laundry business is it doesn't cost that much money to start up. If you start a laundry business tomorrow, if you have $1,000, all you need is some software. All you need is you create a brand, and then start running ads. It's almost as simple as that. The software pretty much does everything you need, because the software lets people book, schedule a time, has all the information that you need. You can send text messages through the software, you can send updates through the software, and it'll give you you can track the status of each order through the software. So you have the software that pretty much does all the work. And then all you have to do is go partner with laundromats. The thing about partnering with laundromats is that you don't even have to go and actually form a legit partnership. You can just find a laundromat that has no attendant. You can find a laundromat that has cheap prices and literally use the laundromat to do the laundry. And this is the hack. This is what I would give to you. If it's the fact that you're sitting here watching this video for 5 minutes, I'm gonna give you one of the biggest keys, one of the biggest secrets when it comes to the laundromat business. One of the biggest secrets that you can do is that there are companies out there that already do wash, dry, fold. There are already companies out there that will take the clothes, wash it, dry it, fold it, and then you just come back and pick it up. So what you can do is you can find a laundromat say that charges $1.50 per pound to wash, dry, and fold clothes and hang it, and you charge the customer $2.50. So then you charging the customer $2.50, and then they're charging you $1.50 to wash the clothes. So you get the clothes from the customer, you give it to them, they wash, dry, fold, do whatever, and then you pick it up and you take it back to the customer. And the reason why this is so lucrative, the only thing you have to do is drive. So at the end of the day, all you have to do is spend your time just picking up and delivering rather than doing any laundry. Sometimes it gets hectic doing the laundry. You have to buy the soap, you have to buy the detergent, you have to make sure it spins correctly, you have to make sure that no clothes are torn, or you have to make sure the stains are removed. But sometimes you can actually save yourself the trouble by not even having to do the laundry yourself. So like I said, there's so many more things that I can go into. I have a free course down below in the link. You can click it, and at the end of the day, like, there's so much potential when it comes to laundromat industry. But if you're somebody who's a single mom, somebody who's a female entrepreneur, somebody who just wants to make money doing laundry, this is the route that you want to take. This is the industry that you want to look into. And like I said, if you're somebody who likes making content, make content on this subject. And if you're like somebody who wants to go out there and get your hands dirty, you can go and start the company today. Okay. So if you have any questions, leave in the comments, leave a comment below. And that's all I have for today's video. But I'll see you guys in the next one.